Hey everybody, it's John from Rad Relics, and I am back to bring you guys another video. I'm going to show you guys a huge box. It is a 19 by 14 by 17. It was absolutely packed full. I bought a bunch of stuff from an auction. I bought two different orders. The first order was somewhere in the neighborhood of 228 bucks, and the second order was 476 bucks. So I've got somewhere in the realm of like $900 here after shipping. So we're going to dig right into this stuff. I'm going to show you guys some of the really awesome stuff that I got from my friend Jason Deason. He has a high bid. He's out of Oklahoma. It's called Lucky Duck Auctions. I'll have a link to it down below. I've got a couple of really awesome things that I'm going to save till last to show you guys because they are just phenomenal items, one-of-a-kind pieces that you could not ever reproduce. I mean, these are just fire. They're absolutely awesome. This is all kinds of different merchandise. It's everything from autographed baseballs to video games to clothing to vintage toys. So we're going to jump right into this right now. Okay guys, the first item that I got here is this Scrolls Skyrim Elder Scrolls 5. It is a brand new sealed video game. I paid 15 bucks for it. I think that it's going to be able to sell for around $30 on eBay, and I will be able to double my money on it. So that's pretty cool. Okay guys, the next item that I have here is something that is called a Treasure Cruise World Journey Volume 6. It's a koala figure, some form of anime. I'm not super familiar with it. I paid $3 for it. I bought it so I could put it in my store. I don't know, I'll probably put like 20-25 bucks on it, but that's pretty awesome. That's the kind of profit that I like to make on an item. Okay guys, the next item that I have here is a set of G-Mart bicycle pedals. These are brand new in the box. I absolutely love dealing with bicycle stuff. I paid $1 for this set of pedals off of his auction, and there was a set of two of them. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be able to get for them on eBay, but I'm guaranteeing you it's probably going to be more than $1. Wouldn't you guys imagine? These are just super great pedals. They look like they would be for some kind of, they've got little knobbies on them, so I'm guessing they're for like downhill bicycle riding, dirt, and I speculate that I'm going to be able to at least get 20 bucks out of them. Okay, the next item that I have here is a macrame plant holder. I told you that's a wide variety of stuff. I got this macrame plant holder. I bought it for my wife. I paid 15 bucks for it, but it was handmade in Tanzania, so I figured, you know what? I'm not going to be able to find another one of those, especially probably handmade in Tanzania. So I picked it up for her. I'm going to put it back, probably give it to her at like Christmas or something like that. Her birthday. I have a problem is that I suck at buying gifts, and I always love to give her stuff because it makes her happy, and I'm kind of a people pleaser. So it's going to be hard to put that back and not share it with her, but I think I can do it. Okay guys, the next item that I bought here is this really inexpensive Loris fruit watch. Thought it was kind of cool. I paid a whopping $1 for it. I figured you can't go wrong at $1. I figured I can probably put it inside the store for like 10 bucks or so. This is a vintage watch. It came out probably in the 90s, so it's something that would go really good in my pop culture shop. Okay guys, the next items that I got here is a couple of rocks. I've got some citrine, I think that's what it's called, and a amethyst geode. Absolutely beautiful pieces. I picked these up for Megan. I paid 7 bucks for them. They will go back into her stash of stuff that I give her at birthdays and Christmas and other holidays, or whenever you give gifts, because she loves stuff like this, and they're just little special gifts. So I paid 7 bucks for them, and I hope she loves them. Okay guys, this is a really awesome piece of NASA history here. It's from Oklahoma. It is James Webb. You might have heard of that guy. He is the gentleman they just named the big space telescope that they put up, James Webb Telescope, and that's him over here. And then this is Stanley Draper. He was a gentleman that worked for the Chamber of Commerce in Oklahoma City. He was, at the time, James Webb was the head of NASA. Pretty cool press photo. I paid somewhere in the neighborhood of a whole $1 for this. So that's a neat piece of history that I am probably going to add to my personal collection. I love NASA. Okay guys, the very next item that I have here is something that's really cool, something that's pretty rare, and I am pretty honored to be able to own something of this caliber. I picked this up on a high bid auction. I picked it up again from my friend Jason, and it is a United States Apollo 7. It's a little card, and on the front of it here you can see that there is all three of the astronauts that were on the Apollo 7 mission. They went into outer space. Pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked to get that. 2 of them have passed away, so that means that they're incredibly hard to find any of their autographs, much less all 3 of them on the same piece of ephemera. And yeah, I am stoked. I'm happy. I paid $100 for it, and I don't know what it's worth, but I think it's probably worth $300, maybe $400. I'm just guessing, but that'll be probably the number that I put on it. Okay, the next item that I have here is an autograph from like a guy that was back in the 40s or 50s. The only reason why I bought it because it was a joke. And there was the episode of Christmas Vacation where Chevy Chase says, "We're going to be the happiest bunch of a-holes this side of the nut house," or tap dancing with Danny expletive K. Well, this is Danny K's autograph. Kind of hard to see. The light's kind of bright on it, but there you go. Danny K. Danny effing K. And I bought it as a joke. Paid $1 for it, so don't be mad at me because I just paid $1 for it. The next item that I got here is a pair of these gray Chuck Taylor shoes. I think they're like faux Chuck Taylors. Actually bought them for my wife because they were supposed to be like size 9 women's, but they ended up being like, I think they're size 9 men's. So they're not going to fit her, so they're probably going to go to the booth. I only had like, I think I had like $3 in them. No, I had $1 in them, so I'm not too upset. Okay, the next item I have here is a Sidekick gun holster. Picked it up. I paid $2 for it. Not a bad deal. I sell a lot of gun holsters. Typically, they sell between $20 and $25. Here's another holster. It's a leather holster. It's for a Glock. I really like it. I don't have anything that'll fit it, so it's going to go up on eBay. Again, another $20, $25 holster. Okay, guys, I got another really cool item to show you. I've got this really neat quilted old vintage JCPenney's hunting jacket. There's also a pair of pants that came with it too. I picked them up. Looks like we paid $12.50 for them, and that old hunting stuff sells pretty good. I think I'm going to be able to get like $50 out of the set. So yeah, I'll definitely pay $12 for a big profit like that. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Would you have bought the hunting pants? Would you have bought the hunting jacket? I love it. That green color, that olive drab, reminds me of old military stuff, and it always sells really good. Okay, guys, the next item that I have here is this fossilized bone. That's what they called it, a fossilized bone. I have no idea exactly what it is, but that's what it looks like. I actually paid $17.50 for that. I have no idea why I paid that much for it, but I did. And if it was a dinosaur bone, it'd be worth a lot. But I'm going to have to do some research and try to figure out what the heck that thing is. Okay, guys, the next item that I have here is this really super sweet old doll. It is a Vintage Deluxe Reading Corp 1965. It's a 1965 doll. I've got my invoices pulled up over here so I can remember what they are. She's got a nice little leather hat, got a great little outfit on her, and I think it's going to be worth quite a bit. I'm pretty excited. I paid $12.50 for this little cutie pie, and I am going to try to list it. I think it'll probably bring about $70. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Okay, guys, the next item that I have here is a DVD lot. The one in the lot that I wanted the most was this in living color. It's factory sealed, and living color DVD sets sell pretty good, but there's also a House season 6, and there is a Sanford & Son the 3rd season. I absolutely love Sanford & Son, and there is a couple of Barney DVDs in here. So I paid $4 for this entire DVD lot. I don't think I'll do bad at all because I believe that the living color DVD, I think it'll sell for somewhere in the neighborhood of, I'm thinking like $26. So I'm pretty excited. I'll do that all day long. Okay, guys, the next item that I have here is a fossilized ivory scrimshaw necklace. It is really cool. I don't know if the computer webcam is going to pick up on it, but it's a piece of fossilized mammoth tusk or mammoth bone or something. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's going to struggle to kind of pick up, but I think there's like a seal or something on it. I paid a whopping $5 for this, but it's super cool, and I think that I will be able to put it in my antique booth, and I'll be able to sell it up there for pretty decent money. I'd like to be able to get about $25 out of it. I would be happy with that. The next lot that I have here is a lot of pocket knives and Zippos and stuff like that, cigarette lighters, pen, and I paid $12.50 for this lot, and I do really well. I actually bought this lot because I'm going to be taking some stuff to auction in February, or at least I was going to be taking stuff to auction. I'm not sure about that now. Okay guys, the next item that I have here is this Toyota Supra. It is a Jada Toys. I paid $7 for it, and when I got it in the box, the roof was pushed down a little bit, but I think I'll be able to get it back up into some type of shape. It was put on the bottom of the box, and so there was some weight on the top of it, but that's okay. Okay guys, I picked up these ephemera photo lots. These are from some kind of work camp, military camp. Looks like probably Korea, I would guess, maybe Korean War sometime in there, some kind of conflict in the late 40s, early 50s, maybe World War II, I don't know. But I took a chance on them, and I bought them for $30 because why wouldn't you? Or $3. I paid $3 for them, and why wouldn't you pay $3 for something cool like that? Okay, guys, the next item that I bought here is a set of these awesome Tai Chi balls. I absolutely love them. They're like stress relieving balls. You put them in your hands, and you kind of go like that with them. I don't know how they make them, but there's little chimes in them so your balls chime, and you got chimey balls. And I paid $4. I paid $4 for the Chinese chimey ball, so that's pretty good. They're going to go in the store. I had these as a kid, and I thought they were the neatest thing in the world. I did. I loved them. Okay, the next item that I have here is a Tanzanian African zebra hide organizer, and I paid $7 for that. That's a real zebra skin. Like I don't know how much zebra skin costs, but it's got to be pretty rare. And I've seen similar totes like this, similar organizers. I think they sold for like $40 on eBay. So I was like, yeah, I'll buy that. I will pay $7 to get me a zebra organizer and sell it on eBay. Kind of sad for the zebra, but okay. If you like the zebra skin organizer, maybe you'll like the zebra skin shoes. They have like nice little zebra skin right there, and they were made in Tanzania as well. And I paid $1 for the sandals, so you can't go wrong. They're size 5. If you need some size 5 zebra skin sandals, let me know. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Okay, the next lots that I have here, I've got some of these Heritage Wrestling. I've got the WWE Ultimate Rivals. And then I've got 2 lots of 200 plus WWE, WWF cards. And I paid $17.50 for the 2 lots a piece for these. And then I paid $15 a piece for these lots. And there's some good cards in here. I can definitely take these and put them in my store and be able to sell them, or possibly put them on eBay or in a future like whatnot auction. That would be absolutely awesome. Okay guys, the next item that I have here is a large face Betsy Johnson watch. I paid right under $7 for it, and I believe that looking this up on eBay, I think they sell for somewhere in the neighborhood of like $30. So I might put a battery in it. That would put me another $10 into it. But if I put a battery in it, I think I'll be able to get more than $30 out of it. I might be able to get more. And that would probably be best, especially if I can sell it as working. Then somebody's going to pay more. Okay, the next item that I have here is a ball that's got a bunch of different signatures on it, but that one there looks like Jeff Bagwell. So I bought this ball, and I paid $12.50 for this ball. It has a bunch of different autographs on it. I'm going to have to do some homework to try to see who some of these autographs are, but I figure that looks almost exactly like what, I mean, his autographs do vary, but that looks a lot like a Jeff Bagwell autograph. And the next item that I have here is a ball with 2 vintage African-American baseball players on them. One was Joe Black, and I cannot remember for the life of me the other guy. They both played together on the Dodgers, and I think that this ball here is probably going to be worth somewhere in the neighborhood of $100 to $150, and I paid $22.50 for it on eBay. Now, am I going to get those prices? I hope so, because I've got a lot of money, like $228 in this invoice, and the other invoice I have $476. So I have like right at $700 in this whole box. So I'm going to need a couple of home runs. But the next item that I want to show you guys, I think that I am going to be able to get probably, it should be able to pay for my first invoice. It's something really neat. If you're into Westerns, you know who this guy is for sure. And this is from the National Cowboy Hall of Fame. And it is a autographed. Can you read that autograph? That's a John Wayne autograph. That is absolutely amazing. John Wayne autograph. I paid $220 for it. So that's definitely one of my favorite pickups from this whole auction. He's passed on. He's not signing anything anymore. So to have something of that caliber of John Wayne really is pretty cool. Even if I get to hold on to it for just a little bit, I'm super stoked that I get to own a piece of history. And it's not only the fact that it's got John Wayne's signature on it, but it's a historical, like, it's historically significant, like, document, I would say, if you're into cowboys. So how you guys like that? Pretty awesome. Okay, the next item that I've got here is a Bandai RX-77. It's a gun cannon action figure model kit. I paid $5 for it. It does have a little boo-boo right there, but that's super cool. I think on eBay this sells for something along the lines of like $25-30. So another good pickup from the high bid auction. Okay guys, the last item that I have here is a set of World War II leggings. They would go around your ankles to protect your ankles while you were in battle, and they lace up. So you would wrap it around your ankles, lace it up, and it was part of the uniform in World War II. And I paid like $17 for them, and I think I'll be able to get somewhere like $40 for them on eBay. Super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different, trying to get into some videos that, you know, I haven't done in a while. It's better than me being, hey, it's me and Megan back in the basement again type stuff. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to go down and click the like button, and be sure to follow us. And pretty much that's it. You guys have a good day. God bless you guys. Keep on digging, keep on picking, and remember, the family that picks together sticks together. God bless you guys.
Mr. B6000, yeah, you know his name. He changed it once or twice, but I think it's here to stay.